This Thursday, scattered to widespread showers possible over the southwestern Cape, with the Weather Service warning against disruptive rainfall leading to localised flooding. See your forecast. This Thursday, we have two cold fronts fizzling together to bring scattered to widespread showers from early on Thursday morning to the extreme southwestern part of the Western Cape. Later, isolated showers moving over parts of the northern, the western and the eastern Cape. But we know the ground's already saturated after lots of rainfall last week, so any amount of rain can lead to more flooding. The Weather Service issued a yellow level 2 warning for disruptive rainfall leading to localised flooding over the Cape Winelands, the city of Cape Town, part of the West Coast and the Theewaterskloof municipalities in the Western Cape, so please be careful, mainly on Thursday morning. Isolated showers later spreading over parts of the northern, the western and the eastern Cape, and into the evening, isolated showers also possible around the eastern coast and the adjacent interior. But a very poor PV harvest over the extreme southwestern parts due to the cloudy conditions and rainy weather, an average to good PV harvest over the central and northeastern parts of the country. Northwestern winds picking up and blowing fresh to strong ahead of those two fronts around the city of Cape Town on Thursday morning. Into the afternoon, windy conditions expected over the central and western interior. The Weather Service is warning against runaway fires over parts of the northern Cape, northwest, the Free State, the eastern Cape and KwaZulu Natal, so please be careful. Westerly to southwesterly winds spreading behind the cold front around the southern and the eastern coast into Thursday evening, with northeastern winds picking up ahead of the front around the northern coast of KwaZulu Natal. But in the Western Cape, a cold, wet and windy Thursday in store, most of the rain falling on Thursday morning. This can cause difficult driving conditions, so please be careful. We still have that yellow level 2 warning in place for disruptive rainfall leading to localised flooding. But a cold day in store for the Western Cape, maximum temperatures only around 15 degrees Celsius. Isolated showers later moving over the Garden Karoo, the Little Karoo as well as the Great Karoo, only 15 in the afternoon in Beaufort West. Northwesterly winds picking up ahead of that cold front, causing bergwind conditions to warm up the eastern parts of the Eastern Cape, 29 in the afternoon in Mthatha. The Weather Service also warning against runaway fires, so please be careful. Into the evening, isolated showers possible around Port St. John's and the surrounding areas. Bergwind conditions also warming up KwaZulu Natal, 30 in the afternoon in Pietermaritzburg and Richards Bay. Windy conditions expected over the northern part, where the Weather Service is warning against runaway fires. A cold morning at first over the Halfveld, later comfortable conditions of 24 in Secunda, but hot conditions in the Lowveld of Mpumalanga and Limpopo, temperatures above 30, with 32 in the afternoon in Hoedspruit and Phalaborwa. A cold morning at first in the Bushveld, later maximum temperatures in the upper 20s, 29 in Thabazimbi and Lephalale. In Northwest, we're expecting cold conditions at first over the southern areas, later temperatures in the upper 20s and windy conditions into the afternoon, with the Weather Service warning against runaway fires. In the Northern Cape, foggy conditions expected over the southwestern parts of the province, later cloudy conditions and isolated showers, only 11 in Springbok and Colfinia, windy conditions over the central and eastern areas with temperatures around 20 degrees Celsius. In the Free State, a cold morning at first, later northwest winds blowing fresh, temperatures in the lower to mid-20s with 25 the afternoon in Bloemfontein, but the Weather Service warning against runaway fires. A lovely winter's afternoon in Gauteng after a cold morning, 25 in Pretoria and Vereniging. Then on Friday, we're expecting much cooler conditions behind the cold front over the central part of the country as well as KwaZulu Natal. Isolated showers now possible in KwaZulu Natal, with the next cold front now moving over the southwestern Cape, remaining cold and showery conditions still expected in Cape Town on Friday. Then on Saturday, isolated showers now possible in KwaZulu Natal and the surrounding areas, remaining cool to cold over the central and southern part of the country, as well as the western areas, only 7 in the afternoon in Sutherland, but a comfortable to warm afternoon on Saturday in Polokwane, 27. Well, that's all from me. Stay safe this Thursday, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.
Introducing the Volta 700X portable power station, your ultimate companion for power on the go, and compact utility for camping, home or office. Stay connected.